Well, that's weird. This one does work. Okay. I think I'm live now. I am. That was weird. Very weird. That was weird. Very weird. That was weird. I don't know what went wrong right there at all. I don't know what. I don't know what. What a catch, huh? What a catch. Wait for everyone to tune in real quick. What's going on? APSKAJ. Good morning. Antonio Parker. What's going on, man? Welcome. Jay Martins. Welcome to stream, bro. Good morning. Good morning. How you guys doing, man? Bite. Bite night. Good morning, bro. Pip Lover. Good morning. How you doing? Smacker. Hello. How are you, Mr. Smacker? How are you doing, man? How's everyone doing, man? Yesterday started off great, dude. Back at it. The grind is really real, Esther. What do you mean? What do you mean? You thought I wasn't for this shit, dude? You thought I wasn't valified for this? Omar, what's going on, bro? Welcome. Esther thought I wasn't verified for the grind. Like, come on, man. This is about to be every day, every day, every day. Every morning, every morning, every morning. Tune the fuck in. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Every morning. How's everyone doing? What's everyone looking at? What's everyone's? Why are people still trying to sell? I went through the Telegram and I'm like, dude, you people need a lot to learn. Fuck the Putin. Come on, bro. Don't come in here talking like that. You get put straight into timeout, bro. I mean, I feel like you have no right to talk about that. I'm not choosing sides, but don't come in here saying that, bro. Jesus Christ. I just started the live stream. This dude gonna hop on here like fuck the Putin. Come on, dude. Where the hell are my moderators at anyway? I had two. They're about to get unmodded. Smacker. AGR, what's up, bro? Good, bro. Looking at gold's crazy range. Yeah, that's why I said wait for the 4 hour to close. It's so easy for you guys to type the numbers. I've noticed on YouTube, like everyone loves typing the numbers, what they're waiting for, but no one sends a chart with an actual valid explanation why they think that we're going to that level or why we could potentially go to that level. Like, no one does that. Everyone just says throws out random numbers and they're like, yeah, we're going to this level. And then when it does go down to this level, then everyone's a god. I called out this level yesterday as well. Esther called this level out as well. I took advantage of this shit. Ooh, I milked this trade, boy. That was a fast 150 pips. Fast, fast, fast. Right. Yo, it's good morning, Zainab. How you doing? Still sleeping, bro? Put some good vibes there. I'm up. I'm up, bro. I'm up. The only thing I still have to do is open up my window a bit and let some light flow in my room. That's about it. But I'm up. Right? I'm just waiting for everyone to get in so we could mark off this chart. Man, I should have just held all these runners, dude. Jesus Christ. I should have held all these runners, man. Alright. So, I'm just gonna start. Problematic, what's going on, bro? Welcome back. Good to see you here, bro. So I'm just gonna start. Banger trade yesterday. Banger trade. Started off the Monday right. Started off the Monday fresh. You know what I mean? Very good Monday. So we're just gonna mark off the chart. But first, let's go over the daily time frame. Yesterday's daily close. You see how yesterday's daily closed, right? Yesterday's daily candle closed what? Well, let's go to weekly. Last week's weekly candle closed what? Is what? Super bullish. Yesterday's daily candle, super bullish. I don't understand why people are looking for shorts if you're not experienced enough to get in that short. So many people lost money again yesterday. The only thing you had to do was wait. I called out two levels that I was interested in. One of them got hit, and one of them was the one that took a fucking rocket ship to the moon, right? So, with that being said, go to the 4 hour, right? Let's mark off our zones. We know that yesterday's daily candle super bullish, so we should only look for buys, right? Still got my runners from 1962. What? Good job. I didn't. I cut mines at like 150 pips. I said, you know what? It's Monday. I'm not messing around. Let me snatch all of it. I said, fuck it. I want all of it. Just closed everything. I was happy with my profits. You know, I keep preaching that. I say, if you're happy with your profits, snatch it off the table. I just took everything off. Anyway, let's mark off the charts, right? Based on just 4 hours real quick. All right, we still have this zone in here. Mark off this. Then that's it. That is the only thing that's important. And let's mark off this 1 hour zone where I took my buys from yesterday. Look at that. Boom, that's it. So what are we looking for today? Right? What are we looking for today? Well, let's see. So now the 1 hour closed, right? The 1 hour close rejecting this resistance area. So we're kind of looking at like a break and retest play as it's playing out right now, right? Retest it. Now the next bullish candle would confirm support. Where could we potentially go to though? Let's look. Let's go back. Let's look at some TP areas, potential TP areas, right? Let's mark off this zone, and then let's mark off. Ooh, this is a strong zone. I don't like this whole range, dude. This whole range is kind of faked, right? And then we have this weekly resistance as well. which we're most likely headed to. So we're gonna mark off this right here, right? But potentially right now, what we're looking for is a break and retest. You want to wait for this 4-hour close, right? You want to wait for the 4-hour close in 13 minutes. You do not need to look for a trade until then. If you weren't in from any of these levels, if you weren't in from this break and retest play right here, you're not in at all. You should be waiting now for the next 4-hour candle to dip lower, probably hopefully into the support to get another entry to push up higher, right? Most definitely looking at TP1 right here. Most definitely looking at like TP2, TP3's area. I do believe we're gonna come up to the weekly resistance. I mean, that's just law, right? It's law. There's no real reason behind it. It's the next recent resistance area that we need to come tap into, right? Which is then also almost the all-time highs, right? Um, so man, as of right now, be patient. Let the price come to you. You wait and let price come to you, you will make money. If you don't wait and you want to force things that aren't there, you will lose money. Right? These fibs are fucking beast. That's what I'm looking for today. Let me see if there's more detail here. There's not really any detail, right? 4-hour looks like we're about to break above. Wait for that fat down wick on the 4-hour to one of these zones. Continue. Simple. Look for price action in this range. Simple, right? For me, I'm taking impulse trades. The volatility is real. Wick entry zones / levels are working. You know what it is with those? You have to be very careful as well because that zone might not work for you. I got this wick entry, but I got it with confirmations on the 1 minute. Stuff that you see a lot. You know what I mean? Stuff that I see a lot. Right? I even had it marked. I even have a blue line right here. Yeah. Once this breaks, we're getting in. You know what I mean? So you have to really pay attention to, you could, yes, impulsively enter, but a lot of the times what price also is going to do, Esther, is price is going to dip down into a little lower right here, right? A little lower to grab that liquidity. Then it's going to shoot up, or it could have also came down to this level, which I was paying attention to, right? But yeah, sometimes you got to risk it for the biscuit. I had my confirmations put on a platter for me right here. It was a beautiful trade. This trade was beautiful. Couldn't get any easier than that. Price gave it to me. There's multiple ways that people could have entered in this trade. Multiple. Still got my runners. Good job. Yo, what's up, Stefanel? How you doing, man? Deep water fires warning shots at Korea patrol vessels violating. Okay, bro. I understand you want to help with the news, but that's enough. I have my news source, and it doesn't add up to yours. Right? There's plenty of opportunities that you could have had buying this here. Plenty. So many beautiful, so many easy opportunities. Now, the 15-minute engulfing was too much. Right? It was way too much. Right? Who caught this trade? Let's ask who caught this trade, right? Who caught this trade? No one caught the trade? No one caught the trade, huh? No one caught the trade. Me? Nice. Oh, okay. Never mind. Nice. Okay. How did you guys catch it? Send me a chart. Send me a chart of how you guys caught it. Because I'm curious. I got in on a 5-minute higher low. Very nice. That was one of my, when I first started trading, that was one of my first confirmations on the 5-minute. let the 5 minute create a higher low. That's the only way I would get in previously, right? But there was plenty of entries right here, plenty, before it really took off. And I'm gonna teach you guys those entries real quick. Right. First, I want to see some charts. People said they've got in. I want to see why. I want to see explanations. All right, why did you get in? Send an explanation. How many pips did you get? How many pips did you close? Honestly, I got this candle and I closed everything. I closed as soon as I think it was the 1 hour something. Oh yeah, I closed as soon as the 1 hour closed. This candle. I closed my whole trade for 160 pips. I didn't care about the rest. Why? Because it's Monday. But I did have TP right here, which did get smacked eventually. You know? I was happy with this what is it? 15-minute move? 15-minute move. Made a bunch of money. I'm happy with that. You got to be very grateful with what you get. I got in on the 5-minute higher low. Okay. Bro, send charts. Nah, I'm not gonna. I said it plenty of times before. I'm done looking at numbers. When people send numbers in the charts, I'm done looking at them. It gets irritating after a while. Trust me. I don't wanna, you know, mess with you or anything, but it gets really irritating when you see like, yeah, this and this and this, and you gotta look at the numbers and you gotta look back and no, not doing it, bro. But got it. Gave my analysis live on stream. Did you send the chart yesterday? I forget. Right? But anyway, for the people that didn't catch this, there's like 37 people watching, but there's only like 10 interacting. Right? For the other 20 people that's not interacting, let me get you to interact. Let me teach you something at least, because people are scared to comment. Kind of funny. Right? Plenty of ways where how you could have caught this. Right? I did get in like super early, but I see right now off the naked eye, two entries on the 5-minute, one on the 15-minute, which I would never take. Actually, two. No, I would never take this one either. And that's it. That's it. If you weren't in at any of those, then the next entry will explain that later. Right? So these entries right here, right? So these entries right here on the chart, first the zone, it was kind of obvious but kind of wasn't. I was looking at for this zone to get tapped and this zone to be left in a wick. Go watch the stream back, right? So 5 minutes. If you read the candlestick Bible, these are very, very dangerous. Now, dangerous, I mean dangerous as in like they really work, especially on the 5-minute. Now, there's two ways you could have entered. The aggressive way is at the break of the high and stops below. Now, you should always put like a little cushion just in case price wants to dip down again. All right, so you always want to kind of put like a 10 pip cushion. Right? Those are your two entry. One entry is at the break, stops below, and then the other entry is at the close. Once you had the bullish confirmation candle, right? And then you would have your entry here and stops here. I'm not going to teach you guys how I got in on the 1 minute because a lot of you guys are going to fail at doing that and you will be lost in the sauce. Right? Second entry, right, would be on the 5-minute here as well. Look, it gave it to you once here, and it gave it to you again. Right? Entry, break. Now, the stop loss here, the stop loss here is what you need to think about on the second leg up. You know? Why is that? You get in here, or you get in at the open of this 5-minute candle, but you have to decide, is my stop going to be below the most recent structure, which is more like an aggressive stop? Or are you going to get a safer stop, and are you going to put it below the actual structure? You know what I mean? That's all up to you. Me personally, I would like to put it below, right? Because if you don't put it below, then you're looking at 115 pip stop, which is kind of huge, right? Now, that was kind of it on the 5-minute. These two entries were it on the 5-minute, right? What were your confirmations? Well, you had your zone right here. You had your big rejection. You had your pullback. You made your first higher low. And the first higher low, you made what? A price action candle to continue price up, right? Then price pushed up, came back down, right? Not any entries right here for me. Probably if you were up, I wasn't up. This entry would have been very easy to catch as well, right? But then let's go to the 15-minute. Now the 15-minute was for the people that are very, what's the word? Cautious, right? People that wait for the 15-minute closes, right? I preach it all the time. The 15-minute close, engulfing closes, or to break at a high, right? But now look, if you would have caught a 15-minute engulfing candle, your stop loss is 180 pips. So you would need 360 pips for a 1 to 2 risk reward. Now, did you get it? You did. Would I personally enter that? Never in my whole life. Never. Never. You have to pick and choose which 15-minute time frame setups you do take. You can't just take all of them, right? Now, if you're like me, you like to get in at the break, right? And you're looking at 150 pips plus a 7 to 10 pip cushion, 160 pips. So you're only 20 pips short from the close. But Jesus, that is a lot of stop loss, excuse me. Right? That is a lot of stop loss. That's the second entry. That's the second entry I would give, that I would potentially enter on. Break of the structure, stops below. Right? Now it's all easy said and done when it's all played out, but I've actually entered this trade, so I can talk about this trade. Right? I've actually entered it, I've called out the level, I've executed the level, and I've caught my move, and I'm done. Right? Now, breaking down this, how you could have gotten in here, right? This was very simple. Right? This was very simple. This is for the people that was up. I was long gone asleep. 3 a.m., 2 a.m. I'm knocked out, dude. Trust me, 100%. I'm knocked out. All right, these are the Asian lows, right? So, you could have caught this trade. It was very simple. Very simple. All right, what do you have right here on the 1-hour time frame? You have resistance, right? What is this right here? What do you have right here? This is resistance, right? What is this? What is this called? This is called what? A break structure. This is your break structure, right? Now we need to come back and retest that level, right? BOS, Hamza, good shit, bro. All right, you come back, retest this level. What are you looking at for price to create its first support? Well, let's do that. Let's look at price action on the lower time frames. Now, honestly, here, there's no price action, right? This is just a wick. These are just wicks. I wouldn't get in here. No. Unless there's something on the 5-minute. but we're gonna see here in a little bit, right? Now, if you was patient, you had another resistance made right here that broke. Now you just wait for this retest to happen, right? Trading's all about patience, dude. You have a beautiful, beautiful candle right here. Same candle as on the 5-minute down here 2 times, only this one closed bullish. Same candle. I don't know what it's called. I just know what it looks like, okay? Right? It's very simple once you put a support and resistance with a breaker structure and a Fibonacci in the concept. That's all you need, right? Price did what right here after this? After this break of resistance, right? So we have two breaker structures. You have one on the hour time frame, which is this. This is the first support created on this zone. This is just a wick, right? Don't get it confused. This is the wick. Then you have your second breaker structure. Boom. Price came down, created a very nice pin bar, whatever you want to call this candle. Your entry is at the break of this candle. That's your entry. As soon as this candle breaks, right, you would have to wait another 15 minutes, another 30 minutes. As soon as this candle broke, you're in. You're in from right here. Your stops are below safe aggressive stops down here. Safe stops down here. Right? What are you targeting? What's left at this time? 4-hour time frame. What's left? Resistance. That's your first TP. Right? That's your first TP. Did I enter it? No. Would I have entered it if I was up? 100%. Right? This is your first TP right up in here. Is the risk to reward? Does the risk to reward make sense? You have to put that in the back of your head. Does the risk to reward make sense on this trade? You have a 24 pip stop loss, right? And I can potentially target the beginning of the red zone, which is 4-hour resistance, and you would have a 4.7. Does this make sense? Do you want to risk 24 pips to make 114 pips? Yes. TP2, where's TP2? Well, you got to go back. You got to go back into the past to see what the most next recent resistance is, which is right here. Would you hold that whole trade? I don't know. Did I hold this whole trade? No. Did I collect 160 pips? Yes. I didn't hold the full trade. Last week's trade I did hold for a whole 450 pips. Took 3 days. With the runner, not even a full position. With the runner. That runner, man, paid bills. So, runners do damage. Sometimes it's Monday. I was like, you know what? I even said it in the chat. Fuck the runner. I'm taking everything off. I'm happy with what I see, right? And that's how you would have caught. That's how you could have caught these two trades, right? Very simple concept. You draw your Fibonacci for extra confluence, right? Where did you stop? Where did you spike into? 61 area, 50, 61, golden pocket. You know what I mean? Also, what's left? Support 30-minute. All right, 15-minute. Now let's break this down on the 5-minute. Let's see if there's anything on the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, it even got nicer for you. Now it's hard to trade. Trust me, it's hard to trade the 5-minute when you don't know what you're looking at, right? Because you had multiple buy opportunities, multiple, right? You have to practice. You have to watch the 5-minute. I'm not gonna tell you guys to get in on the 5-minute, but my entries was right here with a stop below here, all day, every day, right? This is for aggressive traders. That's me. I'm aggressive. I can lose one trade and bang on the second one. I don't care, right? Because I know what type of trader I am. That's how you could have caught in these two trades. Very simple. How could you have caught the short? I don't know. I don't see anything. Doesn't make sense to short anyway. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Solid breakdown. I don't trade gold, but makes a lot of sense. Yes, sir. Gold is very, very simple. If you just have patience and you just wait for the price to come to you, then it's very simple. But if you start forcing things, then you will get smacked. It's that simple, Right? There's no news today either. Give me a second. Let me open up my window and let some light come in. Right. Now, what do you see right here? What do you see right here on the 1 hour time frame? Right? You see a hard rejection. You see a hard rejection. And then what did this previous 1 hour candle do? It didn't break the high, it didn't break the low, it just consolidated, basically. Right? Now there's two options that I see right here, possibly for a potential buy that might happen in our section while I'm live. Maybe. I don't know. If it does happen, well, you guys probably get a free signal. Right? So there's two areas that I'm looking at, right? And do you know how I always preach, like, it's gonna reject once and then it's going to come right back into that rejection area, and then it's gonna go right back up from that rejection area. What happened right here? What happened right here? And there's probably more, right? But I don't think this rejection is as big as this one. But back test it. Free nugget. Back test it. Back test it. Give me a second. Potentially, we could see this 1 hour candle coming down, retesting this area again. And very, very, very potentially, I'm not a fan of this level. We could catch moves back up into here. But first, where in the heck? Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow. I have to check that shit later. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. They spilled some tea somewhere. Yeah, there's some tea that just got spilled big time. Wow. What the fuck? I gotta go read that here later. Right. But there's no interaction. There's nothing. So I think I'm about to just end the stream very short today. There's no interaction. No one's commenting. Everyone's watching me. It's kind of awkward. Gave you guys a lot of nuggets. No questions. Nothing. So it's kind of weird now at this point streaming. Kind of weird. Oh, now everyone's commenting. Oh, dude. Now everyone's commenting, huh? When I mention some drama, everyone's in the mix. It's none of you guys' business. I'm not spilling the tea. It's not my tea to spill. I'll just read up on it after the stream. That's it. That's it. I'm not spilling any tea. It's not my tea to spill. I'll just read up on it and that's it. I'll keep it for myself. I'm not the person that goes in a no. No, no, no. It's not my no. No, no, no. No, no, no. I'm not that person. I'm not that person. Where you from? Where you think, bro? Where do you think I'm from? What's up? You're scaring us. Esther's tongue out and stuff. She wants to know. Wait, what happened? My bad. I was done fapping. Come on, bro. I don't need to know all that. What's up, Jerry? How you doing?
Much. Should just hold it by, man. Fuck.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I should have hold it. You know what? I was like, you know what? It's Monday. I should have hold it. You know what? I was like, you know what? I'm happy. Monday. I should have hold it.
When I catch some buy in 85 and ride it to like 98.
You said 95? Oh, 85? Oh, yeah. I just broke that down for these people. Yeah, it works for Zoom now, yeah. I didn't either. I don't think nobody did, but I mean, it obviously made a lot of sense, right? You had a break structure, retest, Fibonacci, easy price action in here. Boom, at least TP1, at least into here. Easy, simple trade. Yeah, exactly. I would have targeted the exact same TP. Probably had like 100 pip TP. Something like not a 55 pip stop, 20 to 30 pips. Right? Oh, the audio works for the Zoom? Yeah, it does. Does it still work? Cause I just tweaked something. Done trading for the week, but hell, 2K was a good scalp area. Pfft, tell me about it. If you took that 2K scalp, I took the bigger position, dude. You went for the small move. You know that 2K scalp was perfect, right? But I went for the big move. Right? You see the difference when you wait? You could have been done for the month. That's the difference. Now, did I catch all of that? No, sir. I didn't. Keep in mind. Jerry, can you say something real quick? Buy limit gold. You're a Timmy list. The number one Timmy. Timmy list number one. Oh, they don't hear you. Wait. What if I do this? Do you guys hear me echo now? I'm not sure. Can you say something real quick again, bro? Jerry.
Me?
Yeah, yeah,
What's up?
yeah. Oh, you don't hear me echo?
No.
Okay, that's good. I thought I heard myself echo. That's why. Alright, Timmy list. Mr. Qet. I don't know how to do all that E stuff on the thing, so you're just a Timmy. Mr. Nguyen. NG. Oh, damn, I spelled that all the way wrong. NG. Let me not disrespect you by writing your name wrong, but you're a Timmy. Yeah, I can hear him. Alright, perfect. Yeah, I did get it fixed finally. How do you join your Zooms? How do you join my Zooms? That's a good question. You have to be part of the bank robbers and AJ's mentorship. Only those mentorships get access to my group. You have to be one of my students and you can get in my group, otherwise you can't. No echo? Nice. Perfect. Right? That's it. I have to teach you personally. You have to invest in yourself. That's how you get that Zoom group. Otherwise, no Zoom for you, young man. YouTube. But there's a time I'll throw a Zoom link in there. Hey, there's some action going on in one of those groups, huh? I just saw it. I'm gonna read up on it later. It was crazy, dude.
Crazy
I
stuff.
saw I saw a bit. I was like, wow. I'm like, what? But I can't. I'm not gonna speak on it here, especially not here. So it's just
Yeah.
crazy, man. Jesus Christ. Right? What are you thinking for gold?
Mm, for gold, I'm actually wanting it to pull back a little bit more, like to the 91 area,
91
or like
potentially.
88 area. But
Yeah, yeah.
I
I'm looking at
saw,
84.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
84 would be perfect.
yeah, bro.
That would be
But either way,
perfect.
if it like showing some sort of confirmation or something like that, just buy, I guess. Risk a little if I'm hesitating.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I mean, right now the easiest thing to do, bro, is just buy it.
Just buy.
Just
Buy,
buy it.
buy and shut down your computer. Buy.
You could
That's
you could just be in like 300 pip drawdown. If your account is big enough, trust me, you're gonna get it
yeah.
back.
Buy. Just
Just
buy.
buy it. Just close your eyes and buy. Dude, I had positions from fucking way
Yeah,
down.
bro.
What the fuck? I
Shit.
had positions from the beginning of this bull run. And now look at it. Dude, this would have been the sickest passive income move ever.
Oh shit.
What is that? 2000? I can't see. Yeah, that's insane. Jesus Christ.
2000 pips.
2000 freaking pips, man. Imagine that. Imagine catching that life changing money right there on a full position. Imagine a one lot, two lot on 22,000 pip, 20,000 pips. 2,200 pips. Sorry. Imagine that, man. That would be actually insane. You know what I mean?
I'll be I'll be chilling in a month, bro.
Oh, sheesh. With a one lot, sheesh. Insane money. Thank you, man. He's happy. Why are people happy when they're on the teaming list, dude? It's not good. I mean, it just makes you're a noob for today. That's it. No echo. All right. Now I know. If you know, then you know. If you don't, then you don't. Esther. Zaynab, bro, your levels are to the T. Thank you, man. Thank you. Took a lot of patience and skills. Watching. More watching than doing, you know? When you watch more than you do, then you know? Yeah, it's funny. But this level right here might also reject. But I don't think there's volume for that. Trying to look, this might be a problem area as well. Mark off here.
But
This
can you
might
look
be it.
at the 1 minute, please, bro?
The 1 minute.
Yeah. Just like looking one to reject that 1 minute, like this area.
Wait, what are you looking at? You waiting for that on the
No,
1 minute?
possible, possible entry, but a little bit risky. I just want to see first what it will do in that area.
Yeah, yeah, it has to come down first, 100%. Let it, let the 4 hour bottom wick create and let it chill back, you know?
True.
Because there's a lot of time left. There's a ton of time left. I mean, there's like less Timmys every day, so not everyone's been a Timmy, so it's probably a good thing that people, stop asking stupid questions, you know? But I do like this area a lot. I like it a lot. I have to milk that area. What is that? That's a break structure. What is that? Hmm. Hmm. It looks good. That's two confirmations right there already. Third confirmation needs to be what? Matter of fact, I gotta make this red. That's actually 4-hour support. Yep. It's actually 4-hour support. I'm gonna wait for a nice fat wick in there. Antonio Parker. Mr. Antonio Parker, how are you doing, man? Alistair Spillman. What up, man? GJ Buys, Mr. Jose. GJ Buys. Morning, Nickel. How you doing, Nickel? Aaron Martier, what's going on, bro? Yeah, it's just waiting. Just gotta wait. You just gotta wait. Hi. New to your channel. How do you draw your zones, please? Support and resistance, bro. They're not zones. They're the most recent support and resistance on the map. That's it. Nothing hard, nothing less. They're color coded. That's the hardest part, is finding your color codes. Honestly. My 4-hour zones are red, and my 1-hour zones are yellow. You wait for price to come into those zones, you wait for price action confirmations, you buy. And then you TP the next zone. It's that simple. I just gave you the key to success, bro. But welcome, though. How did you find the channel? With the YouTube algorithm? Yo, Joandre, are you still in the car? You turn on your mic, bro. It's okay. Unless you don't want YouTube to hear you, then I understand. The hardest part in trading is waiting.
Chilling.
That's the hard part. If I wasn't on YouTube, dude, I'd be on YouTube watching videos. I'd be reading. Who knows, dude? Cooking. Nah, I'm just chilling. Blessed to be here with you. I'm happy that you're blessed to be with me, bro. I'm happy that you're happy to be here. Once this goes above 2006, this will fly. Well, we're in 2020 right now. Why are you looking at above 2006, buddy? Oh, don't tell me you're about to buy a higher something. Quiet and learning. I like that. You should do a cooking stream on the weekends. No, I don't know how to cook. I do know how to cook, but now how to cook. Nah, that's weird. 2007 must break. We're in 2022, dude. What do you mean? Only thing that broke in 2007 was probably my leg when I fell from my bike. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, that was a funny one. I found that funny. Come on, dude. What the fuck? Oh, Jesus Christ. Why do you think 2007 must break, bro? It doesn't make sense. I mean, it makes sense, but why do you wait for that level to break? I mean, you would want. I don't know why 2007, but if you would want to wait for a break, it would be this level, 2011. You know what I mean? If you're talking about it will fly, I think it will fly once it makes its correct pullback. Or, in all honesty, if the price action isn't there, it might actually just be rejecting this area for tomorrow to take potential shorts, right? But right now, the only thing we're doing is waiting, waiting, and waiting. If I don't get the level that I want, then I won't enter. Simple as that. Oh, Jesus, the 5 minute though. Oh man,
Uh,
that's why it's bad looking at the 5 minutes sometimes, cause it just tells you like bye, 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 bye. Then that happens and you're stuck. That's why you gotta sometimes not look at the 5 minute alone. You gotta look at the bigger picture, right?
true, true, very true.
What do we have right here? Essentially, this is gonna be my TP area, right here at these wicks. This wick will be my TP. That's where you're gonna get a fat rejection. 100%.
I'm looking at 2026 for like full TP, bro.
Ash Reynolds. Sorry, go ahead, bro. I'll enter Ash Reynolds later. Go ahead.
No, I'm looking if like what if we get a buy, we'll put my full TP in 2026 area.
Oh, okay.
It's like OB 1 hour OB like way
Way back, yeah.
back
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, you did some
2 years
scrolling
ago.
for that.
Yeah.
Is it like the most? Is it most recent?
Well, the last structure is like 2 years ago in this
Gee,
area.
Christ. How the fuck did you? I gotta drag my screen on my 49-inch monitor. This is too much. I don't even think I could get an update from this back, far back. Can't. Oh, I only get it to here, dude. What? Yeah, I gotta do it with the 4 hour zones, or I gotta upgrade real quick. But fuck that upgrading shit. I'll just look at my broker. They give it to me free.
True, true.
Yeah, but like on the 4 hour, I feel like this whole area is
Yeah,
troublesome.
will be a strong one. Yeah.
This is gonna be a troubled area right here.
True,
100%.
true. Very true.
Hey mate, are you and AJ in a group together? Just found your YouTube, and I used to listen to you guys on Trading Lounge. You guys are awesome. Thanks, bro. Me and AJ aren't in a group together. We're doing our separate things, but we do, uh, we do come together. Like he's in my group, I'm in his group. Right. Right now, I'm chilling with one of his students and one of my students. So, um, yeah, that's my boy. You know, he's a good trader. We brought a lot of value to that channel, man. Whoever knows Trading Lounge knows we dropped a lot of heat on that channel. A lot of free nuggets. A lot. A lot, a lot, a lot.
A lot, like a
Like
lot, man.
for free. Like no charge. Just listen and you would have had a free course right there. And now you gotta pay. Sorry. Done enough free shit, dude. I'm just kidding. But you did. The rest wasn't the best. Yeah, I mean, everyone just came there to learn, and it was just kind of like three teachers, two teachers. You know what I mean? That really knew what they were talking about. The rest was just there to listen, to kick back, and trade the lounge. You know what I mean? It was a very, very cool idea. I kind of do miss Michelle. I don't hear her as much as I used to. That lady's awesome. That lady is one of the coolest moms that I know. Swear to you. Look at that, 15 minutes, huh? How about that? How about that hourly though? How about that hourly, Mr. Jerry? Jesus Christ.
That
This
1 minute OB, man.
yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, dude, that's actually messed up. Might actually just go from here. Do I mind?
But
No.
yeah, but scary, risky, a bit risky.
Yeah, it's not at any zone. To this dude with 2007, dude. All right, bro, I understand, dude. Let it fly. I'm not in the trade.
Well, if it fly, we can catch the retracement back,
That's
pull
true.
back, and then buy.
That's true. That is true. But I'm not gonna force anything. Just keep in mind the 30-minute just opened, and 30-minute did close below structure. So keep that in mind. This might just be the wick.
Fake out.
So be careful with your 2007, Mr. 2006. Awaken. Be very careful there, buddy. Just saying. You don't have to listen to me. I would just, me personally, I'm just gonna wait a bit. I'm just going to wait a little bit longer. The more patient, the more money. You understand? The more patient, you let price come to your zone. You let price make price action. It gets warm. Boom. Easy money. Easy money, dude. Oh, see now I don't understand. I don't agree with that. What you just said. Now I do understand that it potentially could be an engulfing candle, right? But what I don't understand is why would you wait for the close above? Because if you wait for 2007 to break, well, it depends what. It depends what time frame, right? If you do it on 5 minute, if you do it on 15 minute, right? But if it breaks, 2007 breaks, what candles, or what time frames are you waiting for it to close, right? Are you waiting for the 5 minute to close? Are you waiting for the 15 minute to close? Are you waiting for the 30 minute to close? Are you waiting for 1 hour? I think if you're waiting for the 15 minute close, you might be too late because it might just be going. If you're waiting for the 5 minute to close, you might still get an entry. I have my own formula. Yeah, I mean, everyone has their own way of looking at the markets, dude. 100%. You know what I mean? Send a chart, bro. Okay, send a chart, bro. Send a chart. Let other people learn from your formula, right? Oh, you know what I need to buy, dude? I need to buy one of those keyboard vacuums, dude, or one of these keyboard blowers, man. Got a little dust. My keyboard, right? That's your 30-minute top wick, potentially to go lower, potentially. Hmm. Oh, this would have been nice though. That's that break structure. This that retest. 6 pip stop. You've been up 30 pips. Jesus. Jesus. Yo, our cats. And on which time frame is a fake out? I could tell you a fake out before it even fakes you out. I know the secrets of a fake out. I really do. I'll tell you when it's faking out, and I'll tell you when it's really about to keep going. 100%. 100%. I can tell you that. That's how I catch a lot of my moves. What's good, Quake? How you doing, bro? Welcome to the stream, bro. Good to see you. It's good to see you back again. Oh man, did they really just give us this half-ass retracement? This little petty retracement? It actually just break the trend line. Come on, 30-minute reject, boy. Look, his 2007's coming. 2007. 2007. Good keyboard blower? Yeah, I'm looking at one of those, man. What's good? Yeah, I'm looking at one of those, but I can't find one. But I don't want to. For cleaning the keyboard, use this method. Have a look. I have to delete. I don't know why it opens Indian wife washing laptop. This is not safe. Nope. I'm not doing this, Jerry. It's not safe. I don't understand why it uses that to. Whoops.
Shit, it's breaking.
If it closes above 2007. Good morning, sir. Second day on stream. Welcome, bro. I'm happy that you returned. So you probably got some value yesterday. Um, but I won't regret it. Nah, bro. I mean, I'm good. If price doesn't pull back to my levels, that's the discipline that kicks in. I'm not gonna FOMO buy because some dude on my YouTube channel named Awaken told me to buy at the close of 2007. When I've been, I'm disciplined enough to wait. And if I don't get my trade, then I'll just get off and come back later tonight and I'll get a trade. You know what I mean? For the people that did subscribe, I gained some subscribers. I appreciate it. They see me flying, they hating. Nah, bro, I'm not hating. I'm actually very happy for you that your formula is working. I mean, you know how I look at it? Like, if you know how to fish, right? Then that's good. Right? I'm happy that you know how to fish. But me and you, we use a different rod. You know what I mean? You use that rod to catch that fish. I'm gonna go into the deep ocean and catch this fish. But it takes longer for my fish to find my fish. You know? That's how I look at it. But good job. Happy you made your money, dude. Trust me, dude. With this trade, I'm done. I should be done for the week. Trust. I'm waiting for that big shark. I'm waiting for the big, big, big tuna. I'm waiting for the tuna fish. Sharks don't make money. Tunas are a lot of money. Worth a lot of money. Some catch fish, other catch whales. You know what I mean? I need that big oola wop. And sometimes you gotta wait for that oola wop. The whale, I think it's messed up to catch the whales, dude. They're so harmless. Like I would never eat a whale. I eat tuna like crazy. You know, I've never eaten shark either. I feel like sharks are the shit, dude. Sharks are
Fishy,
such nice animals. You said squishy?
fishy in taste. Sharp, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I can't eat
super
shark, bro.
fishy.
I can't eat that. I don't think I could allow myself because I love sharks. Kind of an emotional bond between me and sharks. I've saw a lot of sharks in the wild before. Well, a lot. Just one. But I saw them in the wild. Sharks are fucking scary. No, the fuck they're not. You just do chicken. Koala, you make it look very easy. I could tell you've been studying gold for a while. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty simple. When you watch it, you want to learn a chart or you want to learn a pair, the best way to learn is to just watch it, right? Just watch it, dude. If you want to get good at the 5 minute, come to the chart, discipline yourself not to trade, and watch it. All right? And watch it. Watch it. Watch
Do
it.
some pepper trade maybe.
Yeah, and take a paper trade, one or two paper trades, and that's it, dude. That's it. You want to get good at it? Or like make a $50 account. Put $50 in your eye. What the fuck's $50? Just specifically use a 0.01 lot. I did these things myself. Specifically to have the emotion side of things, right? Put 50 to $100 in that account. Use 0.01. Fuck it if you blow it. It's meant for studying. You want to get good, you're gonna blow accounts. Use that $100 to collect data on the smaller time frames and write down what really works or memorize it at least. Right? I'm also waiting for that. Send a chart, bro. I'm tired of looking at the numbers, bro. Jesus. It's really irritating to look at all these numbers being thrown at you, bro. It's really irritating. Trust me. It's easier if you just send a chart. I don't want to be rude, but it gets very annoying after saying it for like 2 weeks. You know what I mean? If it doesn't go up from here, if it doesn't come to my level, I don't trade it. How does your mentorship work, Koala? Well, um, how does it work? I mean, I teach you everything that I know. I teach you everything that I know from gold. I turn you into a fucking beast. So you could go on for yourself. Make money yourself. It's lifetime, so you'll always be with me, chilling. I can always correct you on your mistakes, but when I do these mentorships, I fucking work my ass off. Put in a lot of fucking hours, dude. A lot. Kind of insane. You should ask the last people I mentored. One of them just passed a $200,000 account. So just by just by listening, all I did was listen. Couldn't find a website. I don't have a website, bro. I'm not that. I'm not that in yet. I'm not that deep yet. It's. I don't have courses or anything. It's literally like well, not one on ones, like groups. Groups are like fives. And then I send a Zoom link, and then like tomorrow will be a topic. Today will be a topic. It'll be like that, and then we just grind, dude. And then you guys are in the Zoom, and then ask questions, and you always have access to me. Like if you message me, or if one of my students message me, I always answer within the hour. But if someone else messages me, I take my time because I don't know. Here's your 2007, buddy. Did you get in? Closed above though, or did it now? It did. Damn, you just got bamboozled. Yeah, see, he said I was gonna regret being in drawdown. Or paper trade. Yeah, I'm sure loads of people ask you this question. I'm new here. You're actually the second one. It's okay. I just actually announced that I'm starting my mentorship again, so I put 50 pound in and lost it in trade. LOL. I'm in one trade, I mean, if you're comfortable with doing that, I wouldn't do that though, but I wouldn't even open a 50-pound account unless it's for data, unless you're collecting data. Sorry, how do I join? I couldn't find a website. Um, Send me a message on Telegram. Are you in the Telegram group? Oh my god. Dude, sorry. Let me send you the group link real quick. So if you're in the Telegram, join that Telegram and find me in there and send me a DM. If you want more info, I'm not forcing any. I work with only 4 hour and 5 minutes to fish. Nice. You should look at everything, bro. And if you're looking at the 4 hour, then why aren't you waiting for support? Why aren't you waiting for support if you're at 4? This is 4 hour resistance. Why don't you wait for something to break down here? So it looks like your 4 hour zones are wrong. Because if you did enter and you had to close above, then you would have been, you know, you did get to close above, you would have got stopped out right away. Right? I kind of understand what you're doing, but I feel like I think you need to be a little bit. I see what I see. I trust me, bro. I see what you see. I know you see the double top, but let it come down first, dude. If it doesn't come deeper, why would you want to? Cause look, why are you trying to buy? Hey, keep in mind, why are you trying to buy this? Why are you trying to force your way into this shit, bro? This is garbage, bro. Don't buy your way into garbage. Let it play out. Let it come to the levels you have marked off, right? I'm looking at these two levels, man. Level 1, level 2. That's it. If level 1 shows me price action, I'm out of there with level 1. If level 1 doesn't show me price action, I'm out of there with level 2. If I get stopped out at level 1, I'll try again with level 2. If I get stopped out again, that's it. Done. Let price come to you. Let this 1 hour close at least. Look at the 1 hour. You're trying to catch a trade at the last 10 minutes of the 1 hour. Let it close, dude. Let it do its thing. You really want to trade this range? Man, fuck that. Enjoy. This range doesn't do me any diligence. Let the 4 hour create. Let the 4 hour form how it wants to form. The 4 hour just open, dude. Like only been open for 40 minutes, so this is when patience comes into play. If you find this a valid pullback, go ahead, buy it. I don't find it a valid pullback. I think I could just wait a little bit longer, probably a couple hours. You know, play my game, forget about the charts, let my alarm get triggered, enter, get back on my game when I'm done playing. TP's hit. Simple. So, you also got to keep the dailies, keep the daily resistance in mind. You know, keep the weekly resistances in mind. Don't just only fish on the 4 hour time frame. Right? Haha, the Timmy. Q8 win. The Timmy. Timmy, 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 Timmy. Right? Patient. If it flies, it flies, and I'm happy for you. But I'm not getting it. I just get in on the retracement. Timmy list, only one person, bro. Just one person, Mr. Nguyen. That's it. I had a Nguyen kid in my. Oh, he just joined. Lol. I had a Nguyen last name dude in my middle school. I forgot his first name, but he was tall, dude. He was fucking huge, bro. I was like, what? Like, what the fuck? He was in middle school, so we're like 15 at the time. This dude was like 6'3" already, dude. Like, what do you eat? How many years have I been in Forex? 3 months. Nah, about 3 years, bro. I'm just kidding. I'm just about three and a half years. I kind of don't remember. Been in it for a while though. Been in it to know what I'm doing. How many years have you been in Forex trading, Mr. Oh, Jesus. Isil. Oh my God, bro. Sorry if I mispronounced, but I'm gonna try. Zilarasan? Zil? Sorry, bro. I tried. Original name, though. Very original. Never saw it before. That's dope. I try, bro. This 4 hour will tell us where it will go. Potentially. Yes, potentially. Potentially. 30-minute closed in goal or is engulfing right now. So I hope you did get in your buys, Mr. Awaken with a 6. Hmm. Yeah, market's boring. Um, I have just started Forex. It's been a 4 months, but there's no consistent, brother. I'm facing losses. Any suggestion? Um, yeah. If you're facing losses, look back. Like when you take a trade, journal that trade. Look back at your journal, right? See how you really lost. See what you did that you lost. See where your psychology went wrong. See where your emotions went wrong. Write that down. Right? Write that. It's normal to lose in your first 4 months, bro. Trust me. You're probably gonna lose a lot more. Trust me. You just have to balance your money, right? Don't lose everything. Write everything down when you lose, right? The reason why, the reason how, um, you know, um, everything that has to do with your loss, write it down. Learn from it and try not to do it again. I say try not to do it again because you're a fairly new trader and the psychology gets in your way, right? Psychology gets in your way, and that's why it's hard to. That's why in the beginning, like you just started, dude, trust me when I say try and really learn from those mistakes while your brain's still young in the Forex game, right? Because if you keep making those same mistakes and you don't learn from them, you're going to keep those mistakes and it's going to turn into a habit and it's going to be way harder to break those mistakes. So really learn from them, really go over them. Look for a mentor. Write down your confirmations for every trade. Make a plan. Um, you know what I mean? But it's up here, dude. It's up here. Check your zones. Are your zones right? Is your price action confirmation right? Is your indicator, whatever the heck do you think you're using, is that right? Right? I can give you one tool. One tool that will make you better. You know? I can give you just this tool. That's it. It's free. Read it. You might have a pop up here and there. That's the only tool that I'm going to give you. Take this tool, read it. It'll turn you into a fucking beast. That's it.
Or just join Guala mentorship program.
Or just join the program. You know what I mean? You will learn faster. But I gave you some books. I gave you a book to read. Read it. Read it. Read it. Everyone who hasn't read the book, read it. You'll be like, why am I using this indicator? Or why am I doing this? Read the book. Even if you're using indicators, it'll teach you. You're welcome. It's all love, man. Everyone, you're gonna lose. right? Just make sure you know how much you're losing. You know what I mean? Just don't over risk. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. These little rules, bro, you have to make for yourself, and you have to stay. You have to apply them. Make a plan. You just started. Make a plan. 100%. Make a plan. Write down what are you looking for every day. What time will I be trading every day? Um, how much am I risking per trade? You know, stuff like that. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. Make a plan, execute the plan. Do it every day. Have patience. Let the market come to you. Because if you would have bought above 2007, you'd still be in drawdown. Just saying. For how long will I be live? I don't know. Probably about not long anymore. About that time. Awaken. Yeah, I'm getting on your tail, bro. Just let it wait. Just wait for it to awaken. If you're trading 4 hours support and resistance, do you know that you should be waiting for this right here? You should know, right? Yeah, just waiting game right now. Wait for New York. Leave the charts open on the left screen. My brother, if my 4 hour doesn't close or I won't buy shit. Only scalp at break even. Dude, the 4 hour already. This 4 hour candle should tell you enough. Just this 4 hour candle should tell you enough. Everyone's waiting for this 4 hour candle to play out, create its bottom wick. Alright? Everyone's waiting for this candle to create its lower wick. While you're waiting for the close, I'm already probably in the trade. But anyway, I am about to end the stream. It's 12 p.m. So whoever did join in, I appreciate it. If you haven't yet, join the free Telegram link. Scroll up. If you haven't yet, also here's my Instagram. Follow that. I appreciate everyone for coming in. Everyone knows what I'm looking for. Everyone knows what I'm waiting for. Pay attention to those levels. If they do come down to that levels, pay attention to price action. And I will be looking to hopefully catch this move if it comes, and then share it with you guys tomorrow, right? In the meantime, keep practicing, keep studying. Yes, my mentorship program is open. Probably have a couple spots open, a couple spots left. So yeah, until then, I will see you guys tomorrow, and I will update you guys on the Telegram group for any updates, right? So I appreciate everyone tuning in. Have a blessed Tuesday. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. And just fucking be a beast. Peace out.